Alright, so here's a quick video tutorial for those of you that use spotlights and want to know how to put one up on our website. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the file that we're using is already added into the system. That's the first step you want to do with the spotlight because you can't do it after the fact. So I'm going to go to Images and Files. I'm going to add a file and I'm just going to select a category and I'll just do the technology one for now. So there it's going to go on the technology spotlight and it's going to be called the roadmap for schools. That's what my file is going to be. And so I'm going to select a new file now, and I'm going to do here, I got the Safe Schools Roadmap as a PDF. A lot of times you want it to be the PDF'd. So there it is, it's the roadmap for schools, it's right there. I'm going to save it to upload it. And so now that file is up there. Now, now that I have the file up there that I want to use for the spotlight, I can make the spotlight itself. So now I'll close up that and I'll come down here to spotlights. And I'm going to add a spotlight. And the primary group, again, I'm going to choose technology because I'll do that one. The title is going to be called Roadmap for Schools. Okay. Give a description if I want to. I don't have to. I can tell when I want it to expire. Don't have to. Time specifically about it. Over here, you have to have a current photo for it. So if you click on the select new image to upload, and if you go over to our T drive, our district T drive, you'll see there's a folder there called New Website Spotlight Images. I have a bunch in there so that they're all the right size for what it is you need to do. If there is a image that you want to use for the spotlight at the bottom that isn't there, let me know and I'll make it for you. One of the most common things we use is a PDF like that. Roadmap was a PDF, so I'm going to choose the PDF one. Say OK. So that's what it's going to look like down there. And then I can come down here. If I'm going to actually add a link to a file or something, which is what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to click this little area here. And down here I can say view files. Now you'll notice there's no place to upload a file here. So if we had not added that file first, we'd be stuck. So that's why you add the file first. This roadmap for schools is the one. I'm going to select it. I can put some text if I want it there. But considering that I just already called it roadmap for schools, I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm going to say save. Okay. And you can see I got food service here. So let's now take a look and see what's going to happen now. If I go to the district website and I go to technology under departments, we'll go down to the bottom. There's tech site, FCS technology. There's a roadmap for schools. So when I click on it, it's right here. So that is how you create a spotlight. If you have any more questions, please give me a shout. Thanks.